Video 3. Sliding Door Install. How to install the sliding door hardware, soft close. How to prep it. How to install the sliding door track. How to install the sliding door. How to install the sliding door handle. Test all hardware and show the door in motion. Ensure your package is complete with all the necessary parts indicated in the instructions. Prepare your rollers by installing the Allen screw with the rubber seal. This will go through the glass sliding door to prevent slippage. Add the soft close trigger mechanism. This will need to be adjusted later. Add the anti-jump mechanism upside down temporarily and adjust later. Slide your 4 round slotted nuts into the sliding door track. These will receive your soft closer. Install the sliding door track end bracket. Install the soft close mechanisms on either side. Install the stopper. Take your track to its location and temporarily lock it in place. Bring the door to its install location. Ensure you have a heavy-duty cloth on the floor to rest the frameless glass door on. Failure to do this will result in chipped glass or breakage. Install the rollers onto the glass. Ensure the plastic sleeve is on the through screw. Failure to have this in place will result in breakage. Once the rollers are on the door, it is ready to be installed by 2 men. One man will lift the door track slightly while the other will lift the door onto the floor guide and into the door track. Once the door is in the track, the other person will guide the track back into place. Once this is complete, the center screw can be installed. There are pre-drilled holes in the track to indicate this location. Test and adjust the door. Line up the stopper and soft closer. Flip the anti-jump mechanism. Install your handle by separating both sides. Remove the inner bolt from the top and bottom. Place into the through holes of the door, ensuring the black escutcheons are in place. Bring the second part of the handle and slide over the receiver nut and fasten it together with Allen screws. Test the key to ensure proper fit and ensure everything works correctly. Test all hardware and check that the door moves freely. Upon completion, install the sliding door track cover using the 2 Phillips screws provided. For further details, please visit our website, imtmodularwalls.com.